Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live, everyone. Amazon has been granted a hearing over its insistence that last month's union vote in Staten Island, that warehouse, was carried out improperly, is what Amazon is saying. Joining us with the latest in this ongoing labor battle is Yahoo Finance reporter Alexis Keenan. Alexis, the argument from Amazon's side here, does it have any ground? What are we hearing so far?
Well, maybe. A lot to be seen yet. But basically, what Amazon is saying is they object to the way the vote went down in the Staten Island location. They say that the workers were interfered with, that both the Brooklyn NLRB, so this is a bit unusual, the NRLB itself locally there in Staten Island where this vote happened earlier in the month in April to unionize. They're saying they interfered, and also the organized workers themselves interfered, both to suppress this vote. Now, here's what Amazon's spokesperson tells Yahoo Finance this morning. She said, fewer than a third of the employees at the site voted for the union, and overall turnout was unusually low. We filed evidence supporting our objections, which we believe will demonstrate that the actions of the NLRB and the Amazon labor union improperly suppressed and influenced the vote. Now, that vote happened by a 58 approximate percent turnout, and 55% of the workers said yes. So it was a slim margin. So one could say, okay, maybe there's some room there if because it's such a close vote, maybe Amazon is going to have some level of success here. But what's going to happen is this hearing is going to take place not at the local level where it would usually happen in New York. Right. It's going to get farmed out to Phoenix because the allegations are against the local chapter there itself. So a bit of a change there for this particular hearing. Each side is going to get to present its case to a hearing officer, and then the officer could make a decision to overturn the vote that has already said, yes, we want to unionize. Could go either way here. Sure. However, the thing to remember is that this is a very long and drawn out process. A lot of delays can happen. There are a lot of opportunities for appeals for both sides. So this is really just the beginning. We are not even close to finding out whether, in fact, this particular warehouse, and they're the first group of Amazon workers to say we want to unionize. So a big deal here with possibly wide repercussions, but so much has to play out here before we really know what's going to happen.
I got to be brief, but when we think about the broader picture here, what does this set the stage for at other Amazon warehouses as well?
Right. So there's another vote that is underway right now. It's about across the street from this particular facility. And look, Amazon has 100 plus of these fulfillment centers, they call them. These workers, they have already gotten a boost last year during their big efforts during COVID to try to keep Amazon and just like other workers across the country to keep their operations going. They were given a boost to $18 per hour. They do get health benefits. They do get some paid parental leave, as well as educational opportunities. However, they say they want more control over their work conditions. So I think broader picture, you have to also add in Apple and the push for the Georgia workers who are looking to unionize at the Apple retail stores, as well as Google and this other Amazon location. So big changes on the labor front and a lot to come.
Starbucks as well.
Starbucks
one of the other
as well.
major union pushes that we're tracking too. Yahoo Finance's Alexis Keenan. Appreciate the breakdown here.
Sure.